Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Audi Q5 2012. The transmission was replaced. Anytime, can I put a used transmission in this car? Yes. But if you put a used transmission in this car, the car will not move. The transmission, you will get a message. It say that transmission lock. And you have to come here using like Audi's off-board diagnostic system. Buy subscription if you have, and you have to go to general system like function Immoblizer 5, general system description Immoblizer servicing. Immoblizer statute of all control. You have to do the Immoblizer overall statute like engine control module, transmission control module, electronic steering lock, IMS, ECM, electronic adaptive. At least you have to do this software before your transmission move. If it's not, the transmission will not move at all. After that, you can go back and delete all the codes. As you see here, if you come to control module, if you go to network, I don't have any codes except on the engine. I have some code here. Check DTC memory. You can do it from this place. You can check the memory, the DTC for you. Like here, as soon as you click, you have to give it some time to read and give you the information. You have to train yourself, take some time to understand the functions of DTC list. You see all the DTCs that the engine computer have it. Double click here. It give you like standard. You see P4640. That's the code and the statue, what happened to it when this happened. Also, you can go back and look if there is another one. This is a comfort zone, the comfort system central. Also, it will give you all the code. Believe me, this system here is very, very nice, but you need to spend some time. This, look here, network diagram. You can go back to self-diagnose, and from here you can look for all the computer that they have code on it. Double click, it will give you. You can cancel this. You see now even this one is gone. I don't see no codes. Central, double click. I don't know what double click mean, but as soon as I double click, like it delete the code. See, I don't have. Okay, let me double click here. Double click means what? Mean code is done. I see something here. I don't know what that means, but I'm learning on this Volkswagen software, comfort. Just double click to open, or there's one incident here. Okay, coding, adaptation, access authorization, data load, memory. Can I get the memory fault here? The only thing I know is I was able to. Okay, I went there. It give you here, and then you can delete the memory. No signal communication, alarm horn, no signal communication. So you can delete the memory. Yes. You see, there is nothing now. If there is something, it will come back. Okay. Can I go back to the module? Yes, you can come here. If there is any incident, you will see it. Now here, right click.
Didn't you?
Yeah. Thank God, finally.
Yeah, well done. Oh shit. I'm gonna pull up Justin.
Okay, maybe here.
I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna text you.
Okay, and then DTC memory. I like this one. Okay, you see engine oil temperature sensor, circuit low. Okay.
Oh. Mohammed.
Yeah. Delete. it doesn't want to give me the chance to delete it. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.